3, 2, 1, let's go. Brianna.
Kenny.
Learn to Lindy Hop at Lone Tree, April 27th. We're going to face around for some charleston. We started with a rock step, touch, step, rock step, step, touch, step, and fast forward, and suddenly we're in charleston land, right? We also had flip around.
We did some variations.
Like a big kick. I can also kick behind my partner right there. We got a kick crosses, shoot. And note, these are variations. These can be led and followed independently. Brianna really wanted to do a slide. We didn't get to it today. It's pretty much where we were at in Charleston land, right? And then we had a little rock step break. Boom, boom, bam. A shoot, easy. Yeah? Changing angles. Boom, boom, bam. Deep. Alright? And then we started getting into like some single time land. Slow steps. We were just moving and grooving with like a little send out, a little gather. Right there. Alright? And we could pop right back into Charleston, talk about creating like some sweet dynamics. We started getting into triple steps with the underarm pass slide. Boom.
Rock step, triple.
And then when we came back from the break, we were really emphasizing those triples. We'll do it here so you have reference.
Are we going to add triples into all the
Send
other
outs.
stuff?
Yeah, there's that sort of thing. And then we had a circle. Da 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 da. Back it up. Step, triple step. Yeah, swing out. Look, let go. Triple step. Step, triple step, triple step. Rock step, triple step. Look, let go. Triple step. Slowish. Motion, 2 different angles. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. From open to open, triple step, over rotated, rock, step, triple step, triple step. We can circle back up. Ba ba da, ba 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 da. Skim out. Ho. Do. And I think that was it.
That's it. We gave you a couple bonus moves.
Yeah, thanks. Good job.